$489.59 total, door handle, labor for that.
Hey, it's Bubba, and welcome back to Buddy's Classic. And today in the shop, we got this 2014 Altima, and the door handle is broke. She can't open the door from the driver's side, so she got to go all the way around on the passenger side to open it up. I said, nah, ma. Let's call a Nissan dealership and see how much they're gonna charge.
Nissan, press 2 for parts.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, what can I do for you?
All right, buddy, I got a 2014 Nissan Altima, and driver door handle broke on it.
Outside or inside?
Outside.
Ultimately, we got to pull the door panel off and see what's broken, but I can,
Okay.
tell you that that's a diagnosing fee of $179.50, and then we can let you know what it's going to need, if it broke anything on the inside or it's just the outer handle or what. $489.59 total, door handle, labor for that.
I said, hey, ma, I'm gonna call my good buddies at O'Reilly Auto Parts. That door handle with the sensor for like $99. Comes to like 107 with the tax. And today we're just gonna put it on. So today tools we're gonna need. I got me a big flathead screwdriver, just so I could just wedge in the door. A magnet, a little baby flathead. Always need your Chanel locks or your channel locks. A T25 bit. You're gonna see why I need this later. That's gonna go on the side of the door. And a Phillips screwdriver. Also, get your little crate, little milk carton. It's to sit down on, so you can be flush with the door. All right, so you first get your little flathead, get behind here, pry this out. You got one screw here, and you got two screws here. So you got 3 in total. So to take this off, this little trim piece here, you get your little flathead, get behind it, got little ribbons in it, and just be very gentle. I don't have my little prior, so I'm just finding a little opening so I can just pull this up. Be gentle with it. It comes out. Put that to the side. So like I said, you got a screw here, and you got a screw underneath this. Pry this up with the little clamps. Take your time. Boop boop. You got 2 wire harnesses here. Press down on this. Take it out. Take down on the other one, press down on it, wiggle, 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 pull out. All right, put that to the side. And here's your other screw. So you're gonna take this one out here. Take the other one out here. One out here. Get on and pull this door off. I like to start from the bottom and just pull up. Just go all the way around. Take your time. Gentle. Pull, and just once you got all these popped out, come up with it. Whoop. Feed your wires back through. Keep that like that. Come on this side. You got another tab on here. Pull that loose. And you just come to the side of the door. Pop this little grommet out. That's where your T25 gonna come in handy at right here. And that screw actually sits in place. With this black stuff, just make sure you take your time with it, because you gotta go back up with it. It's like a weather strip. All right. So set up like that, and it was just sitting on this tab. The only thing I did is disconnect it and took it off this tab. Also, so take this little pin out the little safety device and out this little hook, and you'll be good. Then you can move to the next step. I was trying to get the best handle I could, but you get what I'm talking about. Since we unscrewed this, just wiggle, and you're gonna see that rod that's in it. And for this part, you go to the right and just ease it out because it got a wire in this. All right, now it's off. All right, so this is a new part made by Dorman, 97725. And make sure you just get a like for like, because you don't want to make the mistake like I did the other day by not getting the one with the sense in it. So all the parts match up, look the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the same. Put that there. All right, so we're gonna put this like that. Look like you just held on by a little pin here and wiggle it out. All right. We clean this off a little bit. Take pride in your work. And we're just gonna pop this back on like it was. Put that side in first and slide it down until you hit a little clip. Bam! Now we're back in business. All right, we're gonna take the plastic off. The reason we had to buy a new one is because you see this little tab here? This little tab here is broke, and that would just brings the tension back on to your handle. So yeah. So let's change them bad boys out. All right, so actually the new hardware got new clamps on it. So we're gonna take the old existing clamps off. All right, so basically you do it just like you took it out. So do this first, feed that in. So this is actually what this hook right here goes to right here. That will open your door. So you feed that in. Put that behind that clip. And just push back. There you go. Pop. Now we in there. Now we got tension. Put your rod back in. And remember, this is held on by that screw. All right. So the rod is here, and we just gotta connect it back to this. Put your little hardware for this safety mechanism back on it, so we can take this one off. We're good. Connect. I'll connect it back here. Boom. All right. And from there, that's basically it. And now we go back up with it. Like I said, get your weather strip or whatever this thing called back in your same holes. Try to do the best as possible. We don't want to make no new holes for it. Alright. Connect that back. Alright, you're gonna put this back. Just match up the hole. He's got one that goes here. Clap, clap. All right, once all your holes line up, it snaps back in place. Add your screws back. Put this back in. Hook up these. Snap, snap. Screw back here. Snap, snap. Put your cover back. Put this side in first. Snap, 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 snap. Just like that. We're done. Now she ain't gotta go all the way around to open the door. Hey, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. And I got a question for you. How much you think I should charge my mama for fixing this? Yo, heard what the dealership wanted to charge. How much you think I should charge her? Y'all know, can't charge mom. But I'm gonna ask her though. I'm gonna see what she say. I hope I can get it on camera. Hey, it's Bubba. This is BuddyClassics. Another job complete.
BuddyClassics.